Hey guys, this is SPC Lexington 658 here, and I have a package from eBay. And do you know what the radio that I'm going to be unboxing is called? Yeah, you see it in the title, of course, you do. It's the RadioShack 12-991. So, I am extremely excited about this, because I have been wanting one for a while now. Ever since I got my, my third radio, I wanted this. This was going to be my next one, but hey, there was none on eBay since then. Get this crap open, so I can actually set this thing up. Uh-oh, I forgot that I don't have any spots left with this thing, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and just do whatever. Come on, get this thing out! Ah! There we go. He, boxed the crap out of this thing. Dude, you don't have to box it up this much. Uh-oh, there is no power adapter. That's bad. That's really bad. Actually, so I'm gonna have to order a, battery cable, or just buy one of those RadioShacks, or whatever. Ooh, this was nice. Alright, go ahead and remove the cover. Here, first I'm going to try something. Let's see if this pops up. No! Surprising. Alright, got that. Thank you, SPC Cranford, for inspiring this tradition. Press all the buttons to wish you good luck in service. And then the shotgun shell type thing. Antenna. Let's go and see. Antenna test. Woo! That's nice. No, a DC is 6 volt. I'm actually going to go and check the included one. Not stupid, which in this case they are. Go and see. Yes, 3 batteries. Which I'm going to go and sacrifice this batteries for these batteries on it. So, don't care. I'm going to use these for now. Ooh, that's nice.
31%. The wind was north at 8 miles an hour. The pressure.
I wonder how I get to the menu. Get me to this menu. Turn the alarm off. Should better control this thing. And yeah, this is the first edition of my radios that actually has a orange backlight. Come on. They should have included like something. I can actually. There we go. Put the battery cover on. Sub channel. Sub.
Split 2.6. Be sunny.
And we'll edit now. So I hold this. Select channel. Already did this. Location. Select. Put this on all. Kentucky! Whoop whoop! Click that. Select the county. Just exit. Because I just want it to be all of Kentucky. Like. Come on, get this thing! Location. Alert mode. Tone. Come on, man. I just want to set this thing up. Oh, yes, set the clock. I really, really like this radio already. 6:30. Dang it. And luckily with RadioShack weather radios, they don't take up batteries. People in here did not provide. This is a DC 6 volt, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy one of those. That was an alert test right there. Remote alert type, set clock, set alarm, set channel, location. Oh, alright, so.
Tennessee. 46 at Bowling Green. At Knoxville, it was cloudy with a temperature.
So yeah, that was the unboxing and setup of the RadioShack 12-991.